Hello children, this is T. Mahalakshmi from Trinity Academy Metric High Secondary School. Term 2, Class 5, Unit 3, The Land of Sand, Saudi Arabia. Today, we are going to see an area which is very hot. Can you guess that place, children? Yes, the deserts. So, today we are going to see about deserts. Deserts are dry land. They receive very little rainfall. Deserts cover about one-fifth of the land area of the world. There are two types of deserts, hot deserts and cold deserts. Deserts found between 15 and 30 north and south of the equator are hot deserts. For example, Sahara Desert in Africa, Thar Desert in India, and California Desert in North America. Most of the deserts are located on the western side of the continents. Second one, that is cold desert. The Gobi Desert in Mongolia is a classic example of a region with a cold desert climate. The cold deserts are found between the poles and the Arctic and Antarctic Circle. Example, the tundra in Russia. Today, we shall study about a hot desert country. Saudi Arabia. The Arabian Peninsula in the southwest of Asia is a hot desert region. The Arabian Peninsula is the world's largest peninsula. Now we can see the location of Saudi Arabia. The major part of Arabian Peninsula is occupied by the Arabian Desert. Saudi Arabia is located in the Arabian Desert. It is the fifth largest country in Asia. Saudi Arabia is surrounded by Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait in the north, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, and Bahrain in the east, Oman, Yemen, and Arabian Sea in the south, and the Red Sea lies to the west of this country. Land. Most of Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. About half of the country is a barren desert. There are mountains on the west side. As we move east towards the Persian Gulf, the land slopes gently. The Najd Plateau lies in the east of the mountains. Three of Saudi Arabia's desert and treeless desert lie on the border of the plateau. They are An Nafad in the north, Dahu in the east, and Rabal Khali in the south. This region is dotted with the sand dunes. Strong winds often shift the sand dunes from one place to another. Wadis. There are no lakes or permanent rivers in Saudi Arabia. The wadis are streams that are formed after the rain last for a short time. So, there is an acute shortage of fresh water in the country. Now we can see the climate of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has an extremely hot climate. Very often it experiences the world's hottest temperature at 52 degrees Celsius. The summer season is from May to September. The weather is very hot and dry during the daytime, but the nights are cooler. The winter season is from October to April. It is warm in the daytime, but as the glaring sun sets, the land shows a fall in temperature and the nights become cool. In coastal areas, The temperature is mild. Sandstorms are common in all seasons. Vegetation. In Saudi Arabia, plants that can live and survive the heat and water shortage can grow. Most of the plants have long roots that go deep into the ground in search of water. Various types of cactus grow here. Cactus have thorns instead of leaves so that there is less water loss through evaporation. They also have soft and fleshy roots and stems to store water. Sage, tamarisk, and date palms grow here. Now we can see about the wildlife. Many animals are found here. Different types of insects, snakes, and scorpions live in the desert. Falcons, eagles, vultures, rabbits, mice, and wild goats are commonly found here. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. The camel found here has one hump. Its body is adapted to the desert environment. Its feet are adapted to walk on burning hot sand. It can live without food and water for many days. Hence, it is known as a ship of deserts. Economic activities. A very small part of Saudi Arabia is suitable for growing crops. Most of the water needed for irrigation and domestic use is obtained by desalinating seawater. Children, what is meant by desalinating? The process of removing salt from the seawater is known as desalinating. Date palms grow in areas where the underground water comes to the surface. Such an area is called an oasis. Permanent settlements are found near oases. An oasis provide food and water to tired travelers. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producer of petroleum in the world. Many petroleum refineries have been set up here. Almost the entire income of the country comes from the export of petroleum. The government is developing different types of industries such as petrochemicals, petroleum refining, power generation, and telecom. These industries employ a large number of people. Now we can see the life of the people. The discovery of petroleum has changed the lifestyle of the people. The money earned from exporting petroleum is being used for the development of the country. This has led to a rapid growth of towns and cities. The traditional dress of men is a long sleeved one piece dress that covers the whole body. They also wear a cloth over their head, held in place by a ring woven from camel hair. This dress protects them from the desert heat and sand. Women wear loose black cloaks. People in villages still lead a traditional life. Most villagers live by tending sheep, goats, and camels. They move from one place to another in search of green pastures. They are called nomads. One such group of people are Bedouins. Bedouins are nomadic people. They lead a very hard life. Most of them live by breeding camels, sheep, and horses. They get milk from the animals and use the hair of these animals to make clothes, tents, and rugs. During summer, the Bedouins camp near an oasis. In winter, they follow the routes through the deserts where there is water. They exchange lamb, sheep, goats, wool, carpets, and camels for dates, food grains, and other useful things. The lifestyle of the Bedouins is now changing. Many have given up their nomadic ways and have settled in urban areas. Next, we can see the cities of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is an enchanting place with both old and new cities. The new cities have all the modern facilities: superhighways, port facilities, high-rise buildings, and modern utility service are now being provided in the older cities. Riyadh is the capital of the country. It is a modern town with skyscrapers, parks, markets, educational institutions, and hospitals. Jeddah is a commercial and a busy seaport. It is located in the west coast. People from all over the world come here for work and business. Mecca and Medina are holy cities of the Muslims. Muslims from all over the world visit these cities on a pilgrimage called Hajj. Children, do you know what is meant by pilgrimage? Yes, a journey that a religious person makes to a holy place is called pilgrimage. Due to the efforts of the government of Saudi Arabia, a hot and barren desert has become a land of prosperity. India has good relations with Saudi Arabia. Children, let us see a short recap of this lesson. Saudi Arabia lies in Asia. It has a hot and dry climate. Rainfall is scarce here. The camel is the most important animal here. The land around an oasis is used to grow crops such as wheat, barley, and date palms. The country exports petroleum. This has made Saudi Arabia very rich. Bedouins are nomads living in Saudi Arabia. Most of them still lead a traditional life. There are many big cities. Riyadh is the capital city. Children, hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.